Hey there, if you're tired of spending hours on Coral data entry, then you are going to love this. We're going to walk through a new AI tool that basically reads your scanned data sheets for you. It's designed to make things a whole lot faster. So let's dive right in.
Okay, so when you look at the whole thing, it's really just 6 simple steps. You'll start by creating your survey and scanning your sheets, the way you always have. But then, we'll upload those scans, let the AI do its magic, and pull that data into the system. And of course, the last step, which is super important, is a little bit of quality control. Don't worry, we'll go through every single step together.
All right, first things first. Let's start with part 1, actually getting your scanned sheets from your computer and into the Power Apps system.
So once you've picked your trip, site, and survey, you'll land on the main data entry screen. Now, the first thing you want to do is just double-check that the survey type is set to Coral Condition. See it? Good. Then, look for this new button right here, AI Data Entry. That's where all the magic starts. Go ahead and give that a click.
Okay, clicking that button takes you to this screen, the Coral Condition Scanning screen. For now, we're just going to focus on this Add Document section up in the top right corner. This is where we'll be uploading all of our files.
Now this part is pretty straightforward, but it's a 2-click process, so pay close attention. First, you click Upload File. That lets you pick a scan from your computer. But you're not done yet. After you selected it, you have to click the green Add Document button. That's what actually attaches it to the list.
You're just going to keep doing that for every single data sheet you have for this survey. That means all the sheets for Transect 1, Transect 2, and Transect 3. When you're all done, your screen should look something like this, with a nice complete list of all your documents.
Okay, stop for a second. This next part is absolutely critical. You have to upload the files in the correct order. The AI doesn't read the file names. It just processes them in the sequence you add them. So you have to start with the first sheet for Transect 1, then the second, and so on, all the way to the very last sheet of Transect 3. Please double-check the order before you move on. It's super important.
Awesome. Now that all our files are uploaded and in the right order, we can get to the fun part. Let's move on to part 2, using the AI software to analyze these images.
Back here on this main scanning screen, you'll see a button that says Software. Just click that, and it'll download a small program called coralscan.exe. The great thing is you don't even need to install it. You can just run it straight from wherever you downloaded it.
And here's another really important instruction. Before you open that program you just downloaded, do not close this Power Apps screen in your web browser. Just minimize it or switch to another window, because we need to come right back here in a little bit. Okay, so when you open up the Coral Scan program, the very first thing you should look for is the Connect status light in the top right. Just wait for a moment until it turns green. That green light means it's successfully connected to the database, and you're good to go.
All right, now it's just a simple 4-step click-through. First, use the drop-down to select your field trip. Step 2, select your site visit. Step 3, pick the right survey. And once those 3 are selected, Step 4 is to click the Load Survey Details button.
And just like that, the software has reached back into Power Apps and found all those documents you uploaded earlier. Pretty cool, right? Just take a quick look and make sure the number of documents it found matches what you were expecting.
Here's a quick tip, just in case. Sometimes your computer's security, like Microsoft Defender, might pop up a warning message. If that happens, don't panic. Just click on More Info, and then you'll see an option to Run Anyway. Go ahead and click that.
Okay, here we go. You're all set to let the AI do its thing. Just click the Process Images button. The system is now sending your scans to the AI model to be read. You can actually watch the progress in this little log window here, and when it's all done, you'll get a nice pop-up message that says Processing Complete.
Perfect. The AI has done its job. So, for our final part, we're going to bring that data back into Power Apps and do our final checks. This is the quality control step.
You can go ahead and close the analysis software now. We're done with it. Now go back to that Power Apps screen that we left open. See it? Now you're going to click the Ingest Scanned Data button. This is what pulls all that data the AI just processed right into your survey.
Once the import finishes, just head back to your normal data entry screen. Now here's a pro tip that's going to make your life a lot easier when you're checking the data. See this Sort Order slider? Go ahead and switch it to Off. By doing that, the data on your screen will be in the exact same order as your paper sheets, which makes comparing them side by side so much easier.
And this is where the tool becomes your best friend. You'll notice some rows are highlighted in pink. What's that about? Well, the AI is smart enough to know when it's not 100% sure about what it read, so it flags those uncertain records for you in pink. This is amazing because it means you don't have to check every single line. You can just focus your attention right where it's needed most.
So that brings us to your final QC checklist. There are just 3 things you need to do. Number 1, go through every single one of those pink rows and check it against your paper sheet. If you see a mistake, just fix it. Number 2, you have to manually add the transect metadata for each transect, things like depth and time. The AI can't read that part. And finally, number 3, save and validate each transect, just like you always do. And that's it.
And that's the whole process from start to finish. Before we wrap up, let's just do a super quick review of the most important things to remember.
Okay, if you remember nothing else, remember these 3 things. First, the upload order is everything. Transect 1, then 2, then 3, always. Second, do not close Power Apps when you're running this separate analysis software. Just minimize it. And third, you are still the human in charge. Always check those pink rows and always add your metadata by hand. Getting these 3 things right will save you a lot of headaches.
And there you have it, the new AI data entry tool. Now, keep in mind this is still a new feature, so you can expect it to get even better over time. But as you start using it, I want to leave you with a question to think about. How do you think a tool like this is going to change the way you work in the future? Thanks for watching.